Well, good day to you. Yeah, Friday Mutter time, and another week that actually turned out to be pretty good weather-wise, despite the forecast of constant rain. Just looking to fill that pothole in there, absolutely marvellous. Anyway, Bikes on the Green, aka Two Wheel Tuesday, didn't make it, didn't finish work till 6 o'clock. By the time I'd have got there, it'd have been 7, and I would imagine largely packing up at the moment while the weather's while the light disappears. It tends to get a bit quieter, and I was also starving, so no Bikes on the Green this week. Banana Man did go, which we'll come back to, and tomorrow is the Royal Enfield Owners Club meet at Haywood's, over at Cambridge. So if you're out and about near Cambridge, call in. Free bacon sarnies, tea, good chinwag, a wealth of knowledge, and some marvellous bikes. So I'll probably see you there. Hopefully I'll be meeting my mate Tim. Maybe having a ride on his Z900. I don't know. His BMW's got a sort of puncture. Anyway, that's the news. Let's crack on with some photos, because it's a little bit different. Charlie, I'm starting with Charlie. He sent us some photos. I'm only going to show one of his, which is this marvellous picture of Andy's AJS and Alan's Immaculate A10. Absolutely wonderful picture. But Charlie was at a bike meet, and I'll tell you who else was there. My mate Mel. Absolutely marvellous. He said, I bumped in with Charlie. Bumped into him. There he is. Absolutely marvellous. Great bloke, Charlie. Great bloke, Mel, as well. I hope you had a good conversation or two. He sent some bikes as well. But he also sent us a video, which I'll put in now. So there you go. What do you reckon? Isn't it belting? Absolutely love it. And I could almost smell it. Look at that dustbin left just in the road. And we've got a tractor to negotiate in a minute. Anyway, then of course Banana Man, he did make it to Bikes on the Green and sent us a message saying, where were you? People were asking after you. Well, I was at work. Sometimes I have to do that. I'm finding work gets more and more in my way. Do you find that? Anyway, he sent us a picture. He was obviously on the banana bike, the CBR. Look at that, absolutely cracking bike, and it goes like stink. Absolutely marvellous. Great pictures. Am I going to be able to get past this tractor? He's going off up there, so the bear will see some overtaking action as soon as I get a clear view. Then what? Talking of country, Loki, he got out to Shimplin. Absolutely marvellous. Came across this post box, telephone box, that is actually a library. Decided he'd get a couple of books as well. What was it, Down Under? Absolutely marvellous book. And what was the other one? All About Me. Why not? Why not All About Me? Let's have a look. No, we've got a car. One more car, and then we're off. Wonderful. Right, I can crack on proper with the Mutter, can't I? Yeah, and of course he went on his Interceptor. I forgot to mention that, obviously. You'll have seen it in the photo. But he also sent us another picture of another bike he wished he'd kept hold of. Yeah, look at that. Z1000, was it 1995, something like that? Cracking bike, cracking photo. Then what did I get? James and Caroline, yeah, they got out on the marvellous Triumph 400X and the Gorilla, one each, absolutely marvellous. And where did they go? They were up around Settle somewhere, I think it was. Yeah, absolutely marvellous place. Used to go camping up around there a lot when I was a kid. Great picture. Then what? Oh, Stephen C. Absolutely belting. He sent us this. Look, he said he's been inspired by Coast Rider Scotland and Two-Wheeled Willie, and he's converting he's renovating his ammo boxes. Look at that. He says, can you spot the stowaway? Yeah, a little giraffe that is stowed away in the ammo box. Brilliant. Thanks, Steve. Then what? Davey, he sent us a picture. He's having a that's it. Oh, where did he go? I can't remember. Is it Cheviot? Anyway, went out on his Scram. Absolutely wonderful. Called Donk. It was his first bike. Yeah, the Scram called Donk. His first bike for 25 years. Absolutely marvellous. Then what? DW, yeah, David W. He's having a spring clean of his stable. Yeah, look at that. Super Meteor, marvellous. Scram. Hemi, sorry, it's a Hemi. Yeah, it's a Hemi, not a Scram. And of course, a wonderful Bantam. Absolutely marvellous picture. And obviously everyone's getting the bikes out now. Wonderful. Then what? My mate Jeff, he rides that Harley Davidson all winter. You've seen him with heated gloves on and that. He went up to Edinburgh, went up to the motorbike show, didn't he? Something like that. Anyway, he sent us a video. After he sent us a little video, which I might have put in now, just running through, showing that it was actually dirty. If I haven't, it's because I can't. But he also sent us this video after it's washed. So there you go. He says it's not all clean, even though it's been ridden all winter. He hasn't polished it at that point because he was just going to go out for a ride as well. So he thought there was no point in polishing it because he'd have to wash it again. Wonderful. Great picture, great bike. Then what? Darius. Him and his mate got out. Where did they go? Oh, yeah, I'll come back to the place they went in a minute because there's a poster which I really, really like. In Ontario. Got out on a couple of Italian stallions. Yeah, MV Super Veloce and a Ducati, naughty, very naughty Ducati. Yeah, but they went to a place called Goodwood. Look at the sign. Welcome to Goodwood. Absolutely marvellous. Great poster. What we can imagine having that outside your village. Wonderful. Then what did I get? Phil D. He got out, went round to his partner's house. He said when he got there, he said there was this Lambretta. Look at that. Absolutely marvellous. He said, well, isn't it wonderful? He says, and while he was taking the picture, he said the owner came out and saw him. He said, talk about mods and rockers. He said, me on my T100 and him on his Lambretta. having a chin wag. Yeah, how times have changed. He said he considered having a Barney, but he decided not to. Then what? Matt B. He sent us a marvellous picture of 900 with his exhaust on, inspired by the wonderful Hitchcock's exhaust that I put on the Thruxton. But he also sent us a video, he said, which he thinks, well, he calls it the right side of Obnoxious. I don't know what that means. It'll mean something different for everybody. But here's the video. So there you go, Matt. Yeah, that's definitely the right side of Obnoxious. Oh, morning, my lord. Did you see that? Magpie, all on his own. Great video. Then what I get? Andy B. Absolutely marvellous. He said obviously he's been riding his Gorilla all winter. He said, but now he's got his CBR 954 RR Fireblade out. He said, just forgiving enough. Yeah, marvellous. What a cracking bike, eh? He'd been giving it all a clean, he said. Now it's starting to get a bit more predictable. Out for a ride. Wonderful. Then what? Chrissy, he got out to Sudbury and got this picture on the wonderful Trophy. Oh, he does do some miles. At Gainsborough. Yeah, I never knew Gainsborough was born in Sudbury. Who knew that? I didn't even know Sudbury existed then. Yeah, what was that? Was that 18th century or 19th century? I don't know. But great picture, great bike. Then what did I get? Mike H. Oh, the wonderful Mike. He got out, presumably, because I think there's two helmets there with Carol. Not sure. I assume so. But he went to Bewley. Yeah, absolutely marvellous on the wonderful classic 350. Great picture. And we've got the old gate just round here. Oh, someone picking up rubbish and putting it in the bin. That's unusual, isn't it? Where was that? Oh, Richard C. Not to be confused with Rich C. Alright, okay. Yeah, marvellous. You'd think he'd cheer up now the better weather's here. Anyway, Richard C. He managed to get out on his wonderful V-Strom. Yeah, probably. Alright, Giraffe, on about the V-Strom. He says, yeah, marvellous bike. Probably the best one ever. Yeah, that's what I was just going to say. The V-Strom is probably one of the best bikes ever made. And I reckon something with that 800 engine is going to follow in its footsteps, and I think we'll be talking about that, or that engine, in, I don't know, another 20 years. But anyway, just my opinion. Great photos. And that is it for photos. Lots of videos this time, of course. So I don't know how long this video itself will be. Only one I've got left is Mark B. Yeah, he sent us a picture, of course he did. He's truly reliable. He sent us a picture of this poster from Walthamstow Raceway. Yeah, he said although the grandstand's gone now, replaced by flats, he said the big billboard is still there. Yeah, the Goodwood of Speedway. Absolutely marvellous poster. I need to get up here. Is that van going to let me go? Is it not? Oh, yes, he is. Thank you very kindly. Where was I? Yeah, great picture. Thanks, Mark. That's it now, completely. Weather's going to be okay, I think. Up and down, mixed. If you do get out on your bike, ride careful, stay safe, and don't forget to look after your loved ones. I'll catch you in another mutter.